welcome back to my YouTube channel at Crafty Minds. Today we're going to be making a beadable bookmark. This is one of our many kits that we sell on our website at craftyminds.com.au. So if you want to have a look at others, just click on our shop and click on bookmarks, and you will see lots of different bookmark designs. So this one here has a pink tone to it. It's got 3 pink bubblegum beads, a pink tassel, and the actual bookmark. So let's go ahead and open that up. Take everything out. There we go. The other thing you will need is either a beadboard or a flat surface to work on, and a pair of scissors. So kids, don't forget, with scissors, make sure you're working with an adult to use them. Okay, so in the kit you'll see that, as I said, this is the actual bookmark with an elastic string already strung on it, 3 beads and a tassel. Okay, so this is really simple and very quick to do. So you take your bookmark and grab onto the 2 strings here, put them together, and you feed through your bead. So you can design this whichever design you want, whichever bead goes first, second and third, it's up to you. And you thread both of those ends through the beads. So there's one. Tricky sometimes, so you just can put one in at a time. Oh, and they're also very slippery too. There you go. Just hold that there and slide that one through. Go, pushing that through. Okay, now with the last bead, you just put 1 elastic through, just like that, and on that elastic you thread through the tassel. Okay, but this is a very similar method as your keyring. So the last bead always has 1 elastic thread through, and then you pull that and back in itself inside the bead, just like that. So it comes out the other side. Okay, and that tassel has acted like an anchor to that bead, and then you simply tie it up once, give it a good tight stretch, and one more time till you can't do it anymore. You know it's nice and tight, and then you take your scissors. Children, make sure the adult's doing this step, and then you cut about 1/2 centimeter, leaving that there, as you can see, and then you slide through very slowly that elastic so that the little ends is hidden in that bead. And there is a beautiful pink bookmark. Very cute, great present, very quick tutorial, very quick kit to make. Hope you enjoyed that video. See you next time. Have a great day.